How to listen to music offline on eSound. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we will teach you on how to listen and download a music offline on eSound. First thing first, make sure you have the eSound app installed on your device. Also make sure it is up to date to ensure it has the latest features. Next up, you have to sign up using your account such as Google, Facebook or eSound. Tap on any of the option that you prefer and then choose the email account that you want to create the account with. Logging in and signing in can give you different facilities such as downloading it offline music. Once you have created the account on eSound, it will tell you to select the sounds and the artists that you prefer. So you can select the ones as per your opinion. Once that is done, you will land to the home page. Then after click on the search button which is on the bottom center and then select the sound or the artist and playlist that you want to download offline. Just tap on it to play and then you must see a download option. If you don't see it, tap on the two dots which is on the bottom left corner. From there, you will see the option download offline. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it has been saved offline and downloaded. If you do not see this option, you can go back to the previous page. Click on the gear or the settings icon, scroll down a bit to go to library and you can turn on the option download songs directly. Once that is done, to see where your downloaded offline videos and songs are, go to library and there you go. You have the saved songs offline. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.